Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. I'm here to help guide you through medical surveys. So what is a medical survey? A medical survey is a comprehensive questionnaire that healthcare professionals can use to assess the overall health of their patients. Professionals can help diagnose illnesses and determine current or potential health risks. The survey would typically ask questions covering a patient's medical history, lifestyle habits, risk factors, as well as symptoms. It is for all genders and also evaluates emotional and social aspects. Healthcare professionals can make more informed decisions when it comes to healthcare and elevate treatment outcomes. Any healthcare professional can use medical surveys and tailor them to meet their needs. Here's how to use medical surveys effectively. The first step is to amend the survey to evaluate dimensions that are significant for you and what you need to measure. You'll then need to hand the survey to your client to fill out all sections and all pages. The third step is to add any referrals or additional notes if needed. To examine the sample survey, feel free to visit carepatron.com. You can access the survey through our Templates tab, filter by community and by notes or assessment. You can also type in the keywords medical survey to find the survey faster. Edit however you wish and click Publish to complete.